In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Wix. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu. You will want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of that menu and click on Settings. This is where Wix keeps many of the core options for your site, including payment and business-related tools. After you open Settings, find the section labeled E-commerce and Finance. In that area, click on Accept Payments. This will take you to the page where you can manage the payment providers available for your Wix store or website. If you plan to sell products, services, or accept online payments, this is the key area you will use. When the Accept Payments page opens, take a moment to look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your business location there. It is very important to make sure this is set correctly before you continue. Payment providers, including Stripe, may appear or disappear depending on the country or region selected. If the location is not correct, open the drop-down menu and update it to the right one before moving on. Once your business location is confirmed, scroll down through the currently active payment methods. Near the bottom of those payment rows, click the button that says See More Payment Options. This will expand the list and show additional providers that may be available for your business location. Now continue scrolling until you find Stripe in the provider list. When you see it, click the Connect button next to Stripe. This starts the connection process between Wix and Stripe. If Stripe does not appear in the list, the most likely reason is your selected business location. Stripe availability depends on the region you have chosen, so double-check that setting if needed. Making sure your location is correct can save time and help explain why certain payment options are not showing up. As you go through this process, move slowly and confirm each setting before continuing. That helps avoid setup issues later, especially when you begin accepting real customer payments through your site. That covers everything you need to know.